Alright, so let's continue guys, and we are going to discuss our tutorial that we were doing in the last class. And what we were doing was we were recreating this design in different ways and stuff, and we extracted it and we put it on the mockup also. And what we did was we put the mockup, and let's just check out this one before we go to the tutorial how the mockup is looking. Alright, so this is how you create a video mockup on Canva. Let's just check out this one. This girl one really sells well because women buy clothes more often than men, and I have seen this one converts really well. I have zoomed in, that's why the quality is not good, because I wanted to show the design to the customers in a better way, but you can put it as it is. And this one also converts well. This one converts well. This one is just very basic structure. So always, whenever you create a mockup, always put it on fit and we'll do it like this, right? So what it will do is it will create a better, and from here you can change the color of the clothes, which I highly recommend. Put it on black and white at least. You can choose the color according to your niche also. If you are going with some environmental friendly niche, you can go with green. If there is some sports is aligned, or some whatever, if a community is aligned, or whatever the case is, if you want something that is kids friendly, try to create with bright colors and stuff, and choose the designs accordingly. So now let's just try to recreate this design in some other ways where it is more variable, right? Make the design educational, right? Because this is very much related to space. So let's just see how basically Gemini uses its creativity. Now when Gemini uses its creativity, we don't have to shut down our brains at that time. We have to be active, right? Because at the end of the day, AI is here to help us. It's not here to solve all the problems. We have to use our own creativity for marketing, because now with print on demand, designing is fairly easy. The real difficult part is the marketing. I have realized with every industry, as AI is entering in it, marketing is the key. All right, so now you can see, now it's educational. All right, so you can see it has written things and stuff here. Now always do one thing, always do one thing, right? You can see here there are some text and stuff, and we may have to remove the text, right? So we will remove the text. Please, we're going to remove the create image, and please verify the information in the image is correct. And I will always say this, whatever you do, don't trust Gemini with this. Gemini is not good with this information and stuff. So I will recommend you to either go with ChatGPT. If you want to go with ChatGPT, all right, ChatGPT, give me 1 second. All right, so we're going to continue, and what we are going to do is we are going to drag and we're going to drop this, and we are going to use the same command that we have given here, right? We're going to put it here, and let's just check out if it is analyzing the image. Mixes real with inaccuracies and artistic simplification. Here's the breakdown. Alright, so not fixed. Retrocede, not a real one. Oh my god. Yes. So okay. Service module. The label exists with the illustration is not correct. Material, moon landing site, south pole area. This is correct. Sea tranquility, where the photos is not available for sure. Alright. So as you can see, not precise technical diagram, educational poster. That's what we needed. All right, so what we need to do is we need to remove the text from the bottom. Please remove the bottom text, right? We are going to take the screenshots. We're going to copy this, paste this. I'm using light shot for my screenshot process. Copy this and paste this, and we're going to run this. All right, so let's see if it's removed the bottom text properly. It's taking a little bit of time. It's all good. Let's just check out how much time we have spent on this, and let's see if it takes a little bit more time. So as long as it's doing this, what we can do is we can change the color of the shirt also. So we are going to change the color of the shirt to dark gray. I'm going to apply the changes. So it's applying the changes, taking a little bit of time. It's all good. So this is how you create all the mockups. So if you want to go and create mockups, you can always use Canva, and it's free. And one of the best mockup creators in my opinion. So what we can do is we can create a preview. So let's just check out. Let's just go here. Yeah. So as you can see how clear this design looks, really nice. So this one looks really nice, and I have zoomed in. So it's the face is hidden, but the design looks really good. In my opinion, Canva needs some better mockups also, but it's all good. We are getting whatever we are getting for free. So for free, it's really good. All right. So let's just go here. If everything is working right now, it's trying to remove the text. It's taking a little bit of time. So let's just see. Alright, so let's continue guys. So as you can see, it has removed the bottom text, and this one looks good. You can sell it as a poster, you can sell it as a t-shirt design also. So what we are going to do is we have just downloaded the design. We are going to go here, we're going to open the design, use the same thing that we have used for the other one. Alright, now it's an educational poster. So what we are going to do is we're going to edit. We are going to edit, and we are going to do this. We are going to take this, put it here. We're going to reduce the brush size. It's removing the area. Yeah, it's removed. Yeah, now it's removed. It's looking good. We're going to save it. Save now. Let's see. The quality is not very good, not because that it's not very high definition for a poster. The poster needs to be high definition. For high definition images, there are ways to it. I will show you in my upcoming tutorials how to make your images high definition, but right now this looks just fine. And if you want to go and remove the background, you have to do the same process again, and that's all there is to it actually. And then there are ways to increase the image size, which I will show you in my upcoming tutorials. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share guys, and comment. I really need it. It helps channel to grow, and that's all there is to it. So as we can see here, what we can do is we can just drag and drop, and I have just dragged and dropped the design, and we can just use this design, put it here. It's very similar. It's only just there are a couple of more things here. One more thing that we can do is we can use this, remove this, put it on a cup, because the mugs really, it's actually a mug. So mug sells really well in the print on demand industry. So we are going to just use this preview button, and we are gonna see how it looks. All right, so let's just look on a full screen. All right, so it looks okay, but I will show you in my upcoming tutorials how to get your designs in the HD and really get the best designs for your print on demand store. All right, so highest quality for your print on demand products. So that's all there is to it, guys. I will see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.